If I'm honest with you, I'm a little nervous about.
Okay, so why don't you explore the left side?
The class is supervised by Melinda Russell. She's a teacher with the Denver Public School System, and she teaches students who are visually impaired or blind.
Some of them can't see at all. They don't have any vision. They can't even see light. Some of our kiddos can see some shapes and colors, but that's it.
Mrs. Russell sent us this request.
Steve, it would be wonderful if you could bring DIY Sci to our program for students with visual impairments. I've seen the show. I know you go to different schools. Our kids would absolutely love it. They deserve the opportunity, like any other kid, to experience all of your explosions, all of the fun things you do. So please come see us. We would love it.
So today I get to spend the day with some of Mrs. Russell's students. And my hope is that we can do some science experiments that both you and they can do at home. But I've been a teacher for 30 years, and I've taken for granted during that time that kids can see what I'm doing. I've never taught students who are blind or visually impaired. So the real question is, even though the kids can't see me, can I find some creative strategies to make science fun for them?
What room are we looking for?
And here they come. Esteban is a fourth grader. He can see shapes and colors, but not from very far away. Rosie is also in fourth grade. Her eyes have trouble adjusting to light and dark.
I was born without an iris, the color part of your eye.
Nate is in sixth grade. He can only see things that are very, very close. The youngest of the group is Owen. He's in third grade.
I cannot see in my left eye. I have a prosthetic eye, like a clay eye.
Our oldest student is seventh grader Bianca.
Yeah, nice.
I've been blind since I was born.
Walk with me straight forward. If you follow my voice, you're going to come into a chair. You come over here and feel the table.
Put the canes up and put them under your chair.
So I thought it would be fun to do some things with some chemistry. Things that fizz, pop, and explode.
Oh!
No, Bianca, I promise you there wouldn't be anything bad, Rosie. When I said, do you like explosions? Bianca immediately pulled back. And then, of course, it dawns on me that if you can't see, explosions can be scary.
One of the things that really can scare me are very loud sounds in unexpected times.
Loud noises.